There we go.
So
Little video.
Ah! Set it up again. Let me hop in that thing.
Yeah, it's a video.
Oh, really?
It takes like the rainiest video ever.
Arrow!
Here's the little stripper pole.
Hey! Imagine if you did that and the floor just
I want to like take pole classes. That would be so fun.
Yeah, but don't do it on this pole. This pole.
Are you sure?
Oh my god, bro.
I can feel the whole thing.
Yeah. Seems fuck.
I just put fresh batteries in that thing. So. Man. Yeah, the floor's like instantly squishy.
Oh. Just that rotted ass floor.
We can go downstairs and see if the mummified rat is still there.
There's a mummified rat?
Hell yeah.
Oh no. Oh my god.
City.
What is that fucking thing down there? It's just a rock. Is it?
I don't know.
Ugh.
It's brain. It's a mummified. It's a petrified brain, actually.
Ugh.
God, breathing in here.
It smells crazy.
Okay, here's a toilet.
Dude, there's a whiteboard in here. No way, free shovel? Hey, there's a damn toilet, you heard? That is exotic.
Ready for the grand reveal?
Oh no. What the fuck, bro?
Zoom in on that.
I don't even know how to zoom on this shit.
Here, take this.
Swap with you. What the fuck? Oh my god. Holy. Oh damn.
This is gonna be the darkest, creepiest video ever.
What the fuck?
Oh my god, I don't even think this was open last time I was here. Can you shine the light back here?
Okay, you want to dual wield?
Sure.
I'm gonna also whip out my flashlight so that we have extra protection from the creepy. God damn. This is so fucking cool, bro.
Whoa, what is all this shit? Like motors? This is boat motors. they had fridges out there before, and now they got piles and piles of boat motors. This is insane. I love it. Cobwebs, bugs. Oh look, they've got the exterminator sticker.
Whoa. What just fell on me? Oh, it's my fucking... Get the fuck out of me. See how I have this thing on the...
Oh, yeah.
The hook? I leaned forward and it bonked me in the back of the head and I was like, damn, looks like I'm about to die.
This whole place was shut off before it. What is up? Motors. Motors. Yeah.
I'm gonna take a picture of these motors because it's kind of cool.
Also, this video, I can get it from the camera to the phone. Or if you know, it's mostly dark, I'll just put out the good first.
Make a little edit. Hell yeah. This is wild. We got a damn sink up in here with. I'm chilling. I feel like something's about to come out of the toilet for real. Powered by Smith. Yeah. No lie.
I feel like last time I did this, there just wasn't anything there. Yep, nothing.
That's a turd, bro.
No, it's not. That's a pipe.
What the hell?
Somebody had to move this shit out here.
Oh wait, we already been in there.
You can't go out. You have to like go up and around.
What a weirdly structured house.
Well, it's because all the doors are locked. Like the board is up locked. I'm glad I kind of know my way around though.
Yeah, it's sick. I would be scared in those docks.
Well.
You look sick.
I see there's just mountains and dirt out there. It really comes to climb.
It is that storage. That, dirt storage. Yeah, no cap.